sung, and my last work is done, and my old faithful guitar lost its tone. You won't find me troubled down, wishing I could sing again. When my last song is sung, I'll be gone. Let me sing a song for Jesus every day, for He is the one who guides me every step of my way. He's my soul and inspiration, and the one who guides my pain. So let that last song I'll sing before Him. Take it all away, Pastor. What a gift the Lord has shared, what a man who never shared, claiming every note I've written for my own. And before it comes my time, there's a song of thanks in line before my Lord and Savior calls me home. Let me sing a song for Jesus every day, for He is the one who guides me every step of my way. He is my soul and inspiration, and the one who guides my pain. So let the last song I'll sing before Him. What a gift the Lord has shared, what a man who never shared, planning every note I've written for my own. And before it comes my time, there's a song of thanks in line before my Lord and Savior calls me home. Let me sing a song for Jesus every day, for He is the one who guides me every step of my way. He's my soul and inspiration, and the one who guides my pain. So let that last song I'll sing before Him. So let that last song I'll sing before Him. Thank you.